Today I am lucky enough to premiere in 2 collabs, one with my friends who are listed above, and also in collaboration with MiniscenesGB and other artists. Look down in my description below for the playlist. Following me will be the multi-talented Taslima Maya Art. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's Art by Donna. And today I am going to show you what I'm going to do before I take out my resin. I have a tray here, and I have this cute little bunny mold, and I want to make 2 molds, and I'm going to use those as my handles. So I'm going to put one here and one here. So I need to make 2 of these. I should have bought 2, but I didn't. And then I have this egg mold. This I got from Amazon. And I got this egg mold. And the egg mold is really beautiful. And I got that from shopResinMolds.com. And I want to put that right in the middle of my tray. So that's my idea. I like to use this lavender that I got, and I got this, I believe I got this from Amazon a while ago. And I got these 2 trays from Amazon also. And this I got from Temu. Now, I'm gonna try and see. I do want to put some flowers inside my bunny, not too many, and I might take some of the flowers out of here. Let me take this off, and I'm going to show you. I got a new resin that I'm going to be trying out. Teexpert resin. They sent me a whole bottle, 2 bottles here. I'm going to show you that. And here's the little user's guide that we got. And it's Teexpert. And I am going to have a discount down below. And I'll also put it here for a 10% off if you purchase their resin. I'm going to look through this. This is crystal clear epoxy resin, and the curing time is 12 to 24 hours, and this is a high gloss finish. And this is part A. And this is part B. And it says premium quality, fast curing, resist yellowing, gloss finish, self-leveling, non-toxic, and no odor. So my first impression is very good. It was packaged really well. It has plastic all around it, and I like that because previously I have purchased resin where it did not have packaging like this, and there was a hole in the bottle and it caused a big mess. So this is great, and I like the way the tops are on, and so first impression was good. Remember, this is a resin, so you always want to operate and work in a well-ventilated area where the appropriate safety gear, such as goggles and respirator, and always wear your gloves. Obviously, you're not going to be swallowing this, and avoid direct contact with your skin and your eyes. I think that this has no more of those striations. Looks pretty clear to me. Very few bubbles. I'll add that also. You can see that. It's quite clear. And just going to separate this into 2 cups. Put that back into the warm water for a little bit. I'll let that sit a minute. I want to add a little bit of this enchantment into this. After mixing this egg and filling it up, I wound up not using it in the end. I decided on using a clear egg instead. I did choose lavender and jasmine for their calming and soothing properties. And they also symbolize harmony, balance, tranquility, and creating a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. They are both considered symbols of the femininity, beauty, and grace. And when combined, they can represent the essence of elegance. They are, when combined together, can be symbolizing renewal, rejuvenation, and new beginnings. Overall, the combination of lavender and jasmine creates a harmonious blend of fragrances that can evoke a variety of positive meanings and feelings, including harmony, love, spirituality, relaxation, and renewal, much like the Easter season. I'd like to take a moment and thank our members, the Traveling Tramps, Dave and Kathy, and happy birthday, Kathy. I'd like to thank Lena Park Art, Art by Sparkle, and Simply Nanette. If you haven't had the pleasure of meeting these wonderful creators, please go and watch a video or two, and I know you'll subscribe immediately. Special thanks to Taslima Maya Art for her super thanks from last week. Okay. This is set. How adorable is this bunny? Making bunny number 2. Okay, and this is going to be, this is a great mold, I have to say. And here's the second bunny. Adorable. So we're going to use those for the handles. While I was sleeping, I thought about this. This is a stand. And my thought is, to make this. So this will have, well, obviously, when it's, hopefully it'll be strong enough to work in that. So I have all my flowers down here, and I was deciding whether or not I was going to use that egg, and at the end of this I decided I was not, and I was going to make a new egg and just leave it clear, and I'll use that egg in another project because it did come absolutely beautiful, but it wasn't jiving with what I wanted for this look. So we'll just use it another day in something else. A very light ballet slipper, very, very pale. This little Piggy, and that's how little I'm putting in there. That. As you can see, how crystal clear. Look how beautiful this resin is. And there is not an odor to this at all. This is absolutely wonderful. Now I'm going to separate this into a few cups. And let me do this right in here first. This is the second cup. Okay. All right. Okay, this one is not so bad. Sorry, I'm out of frame here. Just gotta roll it down a little bit because it really is an easy mold. You just gotta get that roll going. Look at this. What this is, it looks like a crystal ball. Look at this. This Teexpert really is gorgeous. Look at that. Wow, it's a crystal ball. Okay, let's tell fortunes. Anybody want its fortune? Have a fortune to tell? Let's tell it here. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness. How beautiful is this? How gorgeous is that? I love it. I love it. Oh my. I'm excited. And I have an extra bunny here. This mold, I can't get over how easy it comes out. This is like, whoops, 1, 2, and it's out. Now this one is a little soft, so you have to wait for it. This one I definitely have to wait for it to get hard. But it actually gave me food for thought on how to use it in a different way, other than the way I was going to use it. Yeah, so I fought with this a little bit, but in the end it was yeah, it was really easy. I just pulled it out, and it is a gorgeous. This is a beautiful. It looks terrible there, but no, it flattens right out. I didn't get a close up of that, but all right. Okay, so here I go, and I'm demolding the tray, and obviously that comes out really easy, and look how beautiful it looks. Whoops. And now I'm trying all these different ways to, so that was the little holder that I thought was going to hold this tray up, and obviously that wasn't going to work. Although I'm really not sure if it would have worked, because it needed to harden up a little bit. It takes 24 hours before it's totally hard. But then I put my egg in the middle, and my little rabbits are perfect to use as the holders. But look how beautiful this came. So, but it is still a little soft. So can you guess what I did? Any thoughts in your head? So this beautiful crystal egg became the focal point of this lovely tray. And this crystal egg symbolizes rebirth, renewal, and new beginnings, just as Easter does. As a chick hatches from an egg, a crystal egg can represent the birth of new ideas, opportunities, and phases in life. It can symbolize the fertility of ideas and the potential for growth and development in various aspects of life. It can represent personal transformation and the journey of self-discovery. It can represent the energy of the crystal, spiritual awakening and enlightenment. It's important to note that the meaning of a crystal egg can be highly personal and may resonate differently with each individual. Some people may use crystal eggs for meditation, energy healing, or spiritual practices, and others may just use it for their beauty. So if you're drawn to a crystal egg, consider using one for spiritual or healing purposes. It's always beneficial to trust your intuition and its meaning and symbolism in a way that resonates with you personally. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, harmony, and oneness, always.